In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram accounts on Facebook Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect your Instagram profile so you can manage your content, messages, and insights all from one place. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar, and then logging into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're in, you should land on the main home dashboard of Business Suite. This is where you'll see an overview of your page performance, messages, notifications, and other tools. At the top section of this home dashboard, just below your Facebook page's cover photo, look for an option that says Connect Instagram. This is usually quite visible in that top header area. Click on Connect Instagram. What you're doing here is starting the process of linking your Instagram business or professional account to your Facebook page inside Business Suite. A new window or panel will pop up, asking you to log into Instagram. Go ahead and click on Log into Instagram. If you're not already signed in on your browser, you may see a standard Instagram login screen where you'll need to enter your Instagram username and password. Make sure you use the credentials for the Instagram account you want to connect. If you're already logged into Instagram in your browser, it might skip that and recognize your account automatically. After that, you'll see a screen asking you to confirm that you want to continue with this connection. Click on Continue. This is Meta checking that you really want to link your Instagram account with this specific Facebook page and Business Suite. It also lets Instagram and Facebook share information so you can manage everything in one place. Next, you'll see an option that says Log in as, followed by your Instagram username. Carefully confirm that this is the correct Instagram account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. When you're sure it's the right one, click Log in as to proceed. Finally, you'll be taken to one more confirmation screen. Click on Continue again to complete the linking process. After a few moments, your Instagram account should be successfully added to Facebook Business Suite, and you'll be able to manage posts, stories, and messages for both platforms from a single dashboard.